Good afternoon, I am Federica D'Ambrosio and today we are going to review the account of one of our traders, Govindarajan. He joined our program last November on the 20th and hit his first 10% target on the 30th of December. So less than 1 month for him, we can say, to reach his first 10%. No, slightly 1 month for him to reach his target. Very good, very well done. But what I want to highlight here is the shape of his equity line. Have a look at how nicely it is upward sloping. Very good, very, very well done. So congratulations on your first 10% target achieved with us, and congratulations also for the journey that you had with us. It really looks very smooth from this equity line. Okay, let's have a look at the statistics. An average daily return of 0.22%, which is good. An average monthly return of 6.61%, with a drawdown floating of only 1.31%. And we want to also mention how it never went in negative territory. Maybe only in the very beginning, just the first 3 days, it was down not even 1% though on his account. So it's not even worth to mention that, but anyways. Okay, let's have a look at the advanced statistics. So 76 position opened, 76 trades opened with a profitability rate of 62%, which is good. An average win of 37 pips and an average loss of 28 pips. Okay, let's have a look at best trade and worst trade. First thing we notice is the similarity on the dates. So his best trade, both in terms of pips, that in terms of dollars, was on the 6th of January. He gained 111 pips, resulting in $367 in profit. While just 1 day before, he had his worst trade, when on the 5th of January, he lost 100 pips, resulting in a loss of $321 lost. But since we said that he hit his first 10% target on the 30th of December, it means that worst trade and best trade for now they belong to the second account, to the $30,000 account that is now managing with us. Okay, anyway, we already saw them, so that's fine. Let's have a look at the summary. So, from the summary, we can see here 16 position opened on the New Zealand dollar. He gained 484 pips, resulting in a profit of $1,054. Very good, very well done. Then what else we can mention here? 11 position opened on the euro dollar. He gained 255 pips, resulting in a profit of $389. Very good. Let's also have a look at the negative side though. Even if I don't see many, to be honest, only here we can see 3 position opened on the dollar yen. He lost almost 100 pips on this one, losing $160. While here 10 position opened on the pound dollar, he lost 111 pips, resulting in a loss of just $79. Okay, let's have a look at the history. Let's go back to the first page when he joined our program on the 20th of November, as I was mentioning. So a lot size kept quite low in the beginning. We can see here 0.25, 0.15, again 25, 0.25. Then we start to see 0.10, 0.25, 15, 0.10. So he kept his lot size quite low, actually, which is good. And yes, we can see here 30th of December is when he reached his target. We split profits with him, and he's now trading the $30,000 account. He's keeping his lot size low. He is now able to go up to maximum 1 lot, but we can see here 0.33 as a lot size that he's using so far, which is good, very good. Okay, let's have a look at the average trade length. 14 hours and 56 minutes. From the scatter plot, we can see how, yes, the majority of his position are held for less than 16 hours, few more held for a bit longer, 1 day. But what I like to highlight here is that all the positions that he held for longer than 1 day are all positive positions. Very good, very well done, Govindarajan. And also for you, I look forward to do the second review of your account. Keep doing like that.